Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Lyngz.
Hadin ka jing jung Prime Minister Narendra Modi baki we kiri kilate baka parti jung kepada ke parti BJP kan job hakane ke MP election ke Banwan ha India kumta Prime Minister jung ki Grek ukari kos mitso takis ulah keren ya kar kom sencar pajba jong kari India une Prime Minister jung ki Grek ulah ajing keren haka jingelang ya kabal tip da ka Raisina dialog ha Delhi ula ong baka India kadai ka buar ka bakrau bat ka parlo ka bakongsan jong ka Greece.
आप जानकर के हैरान होंगे अभी तो चुनाव बाकी है लेकिन मेरे पास जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर के डेट पड़े हुए निमंत्रण दे करके दुनिया के विभिन्न देश भी बीजेपी की सरकार की वापसी को लेकर पूरी तरह आश्वस्त है। वो भी जानते हैं, दुनिया का हर देश जानता है, दुनिया की हर शक्ति जानती है, आएगा तो
Elections here in India, as I had an opportunity to discuss with Prime Minister Modi, this vast, thriving, giant nation of 1.4 billion people, elections here in India convincingly challenge any flawed notion that significant scale is a barrier to democracy. You are an example to the world, an example which should be celebrated, a demonstration of how democracy can deliver stronger economic growth. This has been your record for a decade now. How strong economic growth can deliver prosperity, and how, of course, the delivery of prosperity can also strengthen social cohesion. Now, of course, not all democracies are the same, nor do they face the same challenges, but they do share the same ideals and the same fundamental guiding principles. The most important being the right of people to determine their own future through fair and free elections. And of course, democracies have more than that in common. They're all, in a sense, imperfect. There is no such thing as a perfect democracy. They're all constant works in progress. And they all, of course, face a range of unprecedented threats. And that's why I believe that this year, 2024, will be a definitional year for democracy. And we must face head-on, but also shoulder to shoulder, a demanding set of challenges. They were very well portrayed in this short video which introduced today's event, from climate change, poverty to mass migration, to war, geopolitical tensions, and both the fear and hope posed by the rapid emergence of artificial intelligence. All of which helps to explain why, when back in August, Prime Minister Modi was kind enough to suggest that I visit India and give this keynote address, I did not hesitate. In a year as important as this one, the themes at the heart of this dialogue around regulation, innovation, multilateralism, peace and security, prosperity, the issue, defense of democracy, I will come back to this issue in a bit, matter more than ever. Ladies and gentlemen, today India is a great power on the world stage, an important ally in the pursuit of peace and security, a rising force at the heart of the G20,